Okay, I got two presents here. This one's for Nathan,
No.
and this one here is for Vicky.
No. Yeah, it says our names. It's open. It's mine. Actually, it says my name.
No, the other one's for you, Vicky. The other one's for you.
What?
That's a newspaper, so you can read the newspaper. What's the matter?
I can't read on the wood.
You can read the words. That's how you'll get better. You'll get so much smarter. Vicky, what did you get?
Okay, here.
Nathan, I can't see Vicky's present.
What'd you get?
Two big presents.
What's the matter with it? What's the
It
matter?
can't fit my hand.
You don't like the present? It's a beautiful glove.
Stop.
It's a
But
beautiful
my
glove.
hand is so little.
Well, try it on. Maybe it'll fit.
This
It's a beautiful glove.
It's for you, Daddy. Okay, guys.
You don't
This is
have to. It's
good.
it's not for
I
me. It's
can
your
read.
present.
I need this. But it doesn't fit my hand.
But it's for you. It's yours. You can have it.
But Daddy, this is your stuff.
No, that's your present. That's for you. That's for you to read and learn.
Okay.
You like it, Vicky? You like the gloves?
Oh, why did I even get newspaper? I'm going to sit and read. Can I?
You like the gloves, Vicky?
You like your present, Vicky? You can have it.
That's yours.
No, it's for you. You can have it.
This is too big for my hand. I can't read all this in one day.
You can read it. You can read it all year. You got plenty of time.
This is too big.
You'll be real smart after you
Too
finish it.
big. You grow into it. You like
I
it?
might do it. I might do it in my class.
You want me to have
There
it?
you go.
You're regifting it?
I might be done before college.
You might be done before college. Good. All right.